The last thing we need to do now is just to test everything and make any final changes that are needed throughout the whole process. So what I'm going to do to start with is go to our pages that we've created and start at the very beginning and just test them and make sure that we're receiving the emails. So let's go to the How Did We Do page, click on View. We've got our options here from 1 to 5. If I click on 1, 2, or 3, let's hope that it sends us to a page where we can complete a form. Now, what I don't like about this is that I didn't put in a heading for this field here for them to leave the feedback. And also I forgot to change this from send message. I think it would be better as submit feedback, for example. So I'll change those in a moment, but let's just do a quick test first. We'll type in our name here, email, whatever, and a phone number. Let's type in a message here. Click on yes, we would like you to contact us regarding our feedback, and click on send message. So we've got our inline message that says thank you for your feedback. It means a lot to us. And in a moment, we'll go and check out my emails just to see if that has come through. But for now, let's go and add in this heading here and also change the send message button here. So let's go to our dashboard, go down to Forminator, edit the form. And this is the text area here where I want to add the label, please. Apply that change, and let's also change the send message button to say submit feedback. Apply, make sure we update that change. We'll go back and have another look, just do one more final test. So we'll just go all pages. How did we do? Let's view that page there. This time let's click on A4. Let's see what happens. And it has taken us to leave a review. That's perfect. So I'm going to go back. Let's click on 3 this time, submit feedback, and we can leave our feedback here. And we've got this please provide your feedback heading, and also it's changed to submit feedback. So I'm not going to fill out my name, address, and phone number. Those aren't mandatory fields. This one here is, because it's got the red asterisk on it. So let's leave some feedback. Submit our feedback, and now let's go and have a look and see what emails we've been receiving. So you can see I've got my Gmail account here. We've got a message failure here, which is because I used a fake email address, which the system didn't like, which is fine. But you can see here we've got our feedback received. So this is when the person is completing the 1 to 5 option. We can see we've got option 1's been selected there. If I go back through my emails, you can see there was the one where I selected number 4, which took us to the Google review. And this was the last one I did where I selected number 3. And these ones here, feedback received for follow-up, these are the ones where I actually completed the form and said, hello, this is my feedback. And I clicked yes, I did want you to contact me back in return. So that's come through. And if I go back to the inbox, you can see this is the last one I completed, where I said leave some feedback, and I selected no. So we can see those emails are coming through as we wanted, and obviously from there, as the business owner, you would then deal with those emails accordingly and follow up however you would like to. And one last thing I wanted to show you about Forminator is how to find your submissions within the back end of your website in case you don't think you're getting all of the emails come through. So you can come across to Forminator and come down to submissions. So if we click on that one there, from there, you just need to select which form you would like to have a look at. So the How Did We Go form, let's click on Show Submissions. And you can see these are all the test runs that I've been doing. And you can see it tells you what number was selected. It doesn't really give you a whole lot more information with this particular form because that's all we've collected from the user. But if we go to the next form about We're Here to Help feedback form, click on Show Submissions. Now if I click, you can see these last 2 that were submitted were the ones where we did enter in a name and an email address. If we click on the drop down arrow, you can see the content that's been added in there. And the last one that I filled out, I didn't leave the name, phone number, or email address. I just left a very short feedback and I clicked on no. So these are really handy if you're not 100% sure if the emails are being sent correctly. You can come back in here and check. So I hope that's been really helpful for you so far. And the next step that we're going to do is creating a QR code so that you can actually print that QR code out and have it at your front counter, your reception desk, or wherever it is that you want to be seeing your clients and asking them for reviews. And that will help tie everything together so that when they scan that QR code, it takes them to that page where they can leave you that initial 1 to 5 feedback and then action from there.